What's the meaning of APO? APO. APO.
APO. APO. APO could have multiple meanings depending on the context, but the most common one is authorized personnel only. It is used to restrict access to areas or information that should only be available to authorized individuals. This could include classified documents, high-security locations or restricted areas within a building. The use of the APO signage or message serves as a warning to others that they are not allowed to enter or access the area. It also helps to maintain security and safety measures in different environments.